In this video, I will explain how to add the image file in checkout page in the WooCommerce website. Okay, just follow my steps to complete the procedure. First, go to on the plugin section and then click add new plugin and then search checkout. The plugin name is checkout files. So click, just type checkout files. Wait a second. So this is a plugin and the author name is WP Wong. So just once verify the author names because the number of plugins names are same but the author name is different. So the plugin name is checkout files approved for WooCommerce and the author by WP Wong. And already I installed and activated the plugin. So now directly go to on the install plugins and then click this is the plugin checkout files upload for WooCommerce and the author name is WP1 and then now just click settings button and now you have to click enable plugins and then you can this is the optional but this is very useful when the user upload the image files you can tick the progressing bar and alert box for successful file upload you can to untick or untick them and here you can set the maximum file size for every files. So this is the steps for add the image file in your WooCommerce checkout page. Just let's see the live demo for how it's working. This is the website and now directly I go to on the visit website and then go to on the some product and then click add to cart and now click checkout and this is the please select file to upload. If you want more customization then you can move premium option. So I think it's enough for me. Suppose if you want looking for more features then you have to go to on the premium plugin. In the pro plugin they are provide number of features. For more you can click the checkout files upload for WooCommerce Pro. So this is the WooCommerce. So the actual rate is $40, around $40, and in the premium feature they are provide number of features like single or multiple, set field position, set it uploaded, accurate, add file, thank you page, my account page, and they are provide more more features. So here they are compare the free with pro. So if you are looking for the pro option then go to on the otherwise this is free. Otherwise I think free version is fine for you. If you have any doubts or issue just comment below, I will help you and thank you, thanks for watching.